Germany is one of the advanced countries of Europe, both industrially and economically. After Second World War, it was divided into West Germany and East Germany. On 3rd October 1990, it was reunited and the German Federal Republic came into existence. Let us study about the location, extent and boundaries.
Germany extends from 47 degrees 31 minutes north to 54 degrees 50 minutes north latitudes and 5 degrees 50 minutes east to 15 degrees 5 minutes east longitudes.
It is bordered by North Sea, Baltic Sea and Denmark to the north, Poland and Czech Republic to the east, Austria to the southeast and Switzerland to the south, France, Luxembourg, Belgium and Netherlands to the west. Next, we will study about the physiography. To the north, it is a vast plain land formed by alluvium brought by rivers. To its south is the Central Plateau region surrounded by numerous hills and mountains. To the southern boundary, a part of the Alps mountains appear in which Zugspitze is the highest peak. The Black Forest Mountain and Jura upland are located in the southwestern part. Moving on to climate. Germany lies in the temperate latitudes. To the north and northwest along the coast, the summer is mild and winters are warm. In the eastern and southern parts of the country, winters are severe. It receives rainfall throughout the year from the westerly winds. The average annual rainfall near the North Sea is 400 millimeters and around 1000 millimeters in the areas of Alps mountains. Many times, the mountainous areas experience snowfall. Let us study about water resources. The major rivers are Ruhr, Rhine, Weser, Elbe and Danube. The rivers have made the region very fertile. These rivers are mainly used for generation of hydroelectricity and water transport. The rivers like Danube, Isar, Neckar and Rhine have their sources in the snow-clad mountainous regions, so they are perennial rivers. River Rhine is the most important river as it is used for transportation of minerals found in the Black Forest Mountains. Now let us study forest resources. To the north, coniferous trees are found. Central Plateau region is covered by grass with a few patches of deciduous forests. The Alps and Black Forest Mountains have dense coniferous forests with trees like spruce and silver fir. Next is animal resources. Forests in these areas have animals like wild boars, wolves, bears, foxes, many kinds of deer, etc. Coming to the mineral resources. Germany is a leading producer of potash and coal. Coal reserves are found in Rhine, Ruhr and Dessau-Dresden regions. Potash and iron ore deposits are found in the Rhine basin. The northern part of the country has reserves of natural gas. Moving on to occupations. Let us study about agriculture. In the northern fertile plains, the crops grown are wheat, sugar beet, rye, a variety of fruits and vegetables. In southeast and south, crops cultivated are wheat, potato and oats. Modern technology is employed in agriculture. Germany ranks first in the world in the production of potatoes. Animal husbandry as an allied activity is also practiced here with agriculture. Moving on to fisheries. In the North Sea and Baltic Sea, fishing is carried out. The types of fish caught are mainly cod, herring, and headfish. Next is industries. Germany is highly advanced in industries. It is a leading country in iron steel production, electronic and engineering industries. It is famous for production of microscopes, telescopes and cameras. The map shows us the industrial belts in Germany. A. Rhine Valley and Ruhr-Westphalia are known for iron and coal mines. Industries that have developed here are chemical and automobile industries. B. The Munich region in the south has automobile and machine tool industries. C. Hamburg and Bremen industrial region in the north are famous for shipbuilding industry. D. The Eberswald region near Berlin has machine tools and electric equipment industry. Now we will study about transport and communication. Germany has a dense network of roads and rail routes. 4-lane roads which facilitate unidirectional speedy traffic have been developed on a large scale. Such roads are called autobahns. Express rail routes are used to connect the cities within the country and the neighboring countries as well. In the plains, the Ruhr, Rhine, Weser, Oder and other rivers are connected by canals and are used for internal water transport. Hamburg and Bremen are the major ports. Düsseldorf, Berlin, Bonn, Frankfurt are the international airports. Deutsche Lufthansa is the major company providing air transport service in the country. Now, let us move on to trade. The country exports motor cars, chemicals, iron and steel products, cameras, telescopes, machines. The goods that are imported are fuel, industrial raw materials, and food products. Trading is carried out on a large scale with other European countries. Moving on further to tourism. In Germany, the mountainous region has a large number of tourist places. There are many historical monuments in cities like Berlin, Frankfurt, Munich, and Hamburg, etc. The waterfall on the river Rhine and boating also attracts tourists. Now we will study about human life. The people living in Germany are mostly Germans or Danish. Their main language is German. Diet of the people includes potatoes, beet, carrot, cheese, chicken, etc. Football is a popular game. Germans love cycling, hiking and gymnastics. German people are disciplined, duty-conscious and have a scientific temperament. Coming to the major cities. 1. Berlin. It is the capital of Germany. It is situated on the banks of River Spree. The well-known Humboldt University is located in this city. There are a number of historical monuments. 2. Hamburg. It is located along the banks of River Elbe. It is an excellent harbour opening out towards the North Sea. It is a major centre of the shipbuilding industry. 3. Munich. It is a famous industrial town of South Germany. It is situated on the banks of River Isar. It is famous for handicraft articles. It has a huge national library with more than 1 million books. 4. Frankfurt. It is an industrial and historical city located along the banks of River Main. It is a major port for domestic water transport. It has an international airport. 5. Bonn. It was the capital of earlier West Germany. It is a major junction for international railways, roadways and airways. It is a major educational and cultural center. The famous Bonn University is located at this place. Let us study the environmental problems. The industrial regions of Rhine, Ruhr, Dessau-Dresden, Munich, etc. face problems of air, water and noise pollution. In the urban areas, the heavy traffic leads to problems of noise and air pollution. Moving on to measures taken. It has introduced restrictions on carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide released through the burning of biofuels. Domestic garbage is recycled to a large extent.